Hey guys, today I'm going to be revisiting this classic box fan. I think I got this back in 2017, so I've had it for a few years. But this is also going to be the last video of this fan because I plan on getting rid of this one, as well as some other fans I have in my collection. I'm trying to make room for new stuff and also, trying to get rid of some stuff that I don't really use much or I don't really like. So this is one of them. And this will be the last time you'll see a video of this fan. Now, when I got this fan, I thought it was pretty cool because of the grills. It reminded me of the older vintage box fans that had those plastic diffuser grills. Kind of looks similar to that, but excuse me. It's designed quite poorly. The grills are so thick that it restricts so much air, and it also makes the fan a lot more noisier than it should be. The blades have very little pitch to them, and what's annoying is the hub on these blades are held on by those really annoying push nuts, similar to the Honeywell fans, those little black rings that press onto the shaft, and they're just a pain to deal with if you're trying to remove the blades. So I wasn't a fan of that. It's a 3-speed fan. It does have feet. It's a kind of a full-length feet that covers the entire bottom of the box fan like this, and it comes out both front and the rear. But I took that off. Just an all plain white fan. Now here's one thing I just absolutely find strange on this fan. Like, I really want to have a word with whoever designed this fan because there is absolutely no ventilation going to the motor on this. In fact, at one point, what I did was I cut these sections out. So this whole bottom, or this whole rear section, I just took out because the motor was getting too hot. But that was kind of a dumb move, so I just zip tied it back. It's got a very small, underpowered motor in it. It's a PSC motor, similar to what you would see in an oscillating fan. Yeah, it's still pretty clean. I pretty much never use this fan, ever. Maybe a couple times just to move some air, but not a whole lot. Oh, that's upside down. That's great. There's some information. Oops. All right. Sorry if I sound a bit tired. I just woke up, literally. So we're gonna start it up on, we'll go to high speed. I mean, it moves some air, but it's not super powerful. And you can hear the turbulence inside. You can actually feel it too. When the air comes out of the fan, it's not a smooth stream of air. It's like a swirling airflow. It's very strange. There's medium. It's actually very well balanced, so I can't complain there. And there's low. It's not too loud on low speed. But then again, it's still moving like almost no air. Which is funny because on the box here, it says 30% more air velocity than standard box fans. That's highly questionable. In fact, I would say this is 30% less air velocity than standard box fans. You know, a standard Lasco 3733 moves more air than this. Alright, we'll go to high speed and go for a spin down. This fan is still running on the stock factory lubricant. I have never oiled this thing. And honestly, it doesn't really need it. So anyways, that is the classic box fan. The last time this fan will be on this channel. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.